Have you ever faced the problem where you wanted to create a year picker in your Flutter app, but struggled with implementing it using Cupertino-style picker? Well, fret not, as I've got just the solution for you. Let's dive into tackling this problem together. Let's talk about the solution. By using the provided code snippet, you can easily implement a Cupertino year picker in your Flutter application. The code sets up a widget that allows users to select a specific year within a specified range, starting from 1900 up to the current year. It initializes the picker with the current year and updates the selected year as the user interacts with the picker. This straightforward implementation makes it a breeze to integrate a year picker in your app with Cupertino style. Voila! Problem solved. In summary, we successfully addressed the problem of creating a year picker in Flutter using the Cupertino style picker. By following the solution provided, you can effortlessly incorporate a year picker widget in your app, allowing users to select a year within a predefined range. I hope this solves your year picker dilemma. Remember to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Until next time, happy coding.